So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add text to a video here on InShot. So here's my video right here. If I wanted to add some text to it, go ahead and press on the text icon right here and go ahead and press on text. You guys can go ahead and type in your text right here. So I'll just go ahead and type in the word text just like this. Now you can go ahead and make it larger or smaller like that. You can also go ahead and change the font right here. So if I wanted to make it this font right here, I can go ahead and do that. I can change the color, get creative, do what you got to do. There's my text right here. I will then go ahead and just make it larger, just like that, and press on check. So if we're to go ahead and play the video right here, the text is now added to it. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add text to a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.